This is Rishi, raw ecology researcher with the Omnitech research group. Today, I'm filing my report on investigative research surrounding radiologically anomalous water, or RAW, within the OCD Zero through the new Retrieval platform dubbed Gauge. I have switched from a condenser to a dynamic microphone for this report. Let me know if the difference is audible. The project was approved with the submitted blueprints, but the Ministry of Omniplex Resources only provided us with reclaimed portable igniters. We'll have to make do with what's available. I used the F2 Master from Vantic throughout this project because the smaller body makes it much easier to control around parts this precise. At first, I thought the 3/32" bits might be a limitation, but they are common in precision work such as jewelry and dental tooling. Reclaimed materials are rarely clean, so the first step is removing labels, adhesive, and whatever residue is in the way. This visual report is supported by PCBWay. PCBWay offers manufacturing services for custom projects, including PCB prototyping, with options for assembly and flexible board designs. They also provide CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and finishing services. Their community section allows makers to browse shared designs and order existing parts directly, which can save time if someone has already created a solution to your problem. Before obtaining samples, Gauge has to identify whether a specimen is alive, contaminated, radioactive, or chemically unstable, so most of the head assembly is dedicated to layered field sensors. Some materials are significantly harder, so I used third-party diamond grinding wheels with the F2 Master for bulk removal. The F2 Master won 2025 at Red Dot and IF Design Awards, but more importantly, it has replaced the other rotary tools on my bench for controlled material removal. For anyone looking for a practical and well-designed rotary tool, the F2 Master link and discount code are included in the description. NeoCity Zero does not offer clean walking surfaces, so Gage needed wide, split-toe feet that could stay stable under uneven terrain and a fully loaded specimen carrier. The specimen jars are approximately 350 millimeters in diameter, so Gage's hands were given longer thumbs and extended fingers for a more secure grip during retrieval. The sub-assemblies were checked against the submitted blueprint, and for once, the final structure is starting to resemble the approved design. The project was stalled as the research team needed a new type of specimen container that would match specifications for clarity, geometry, repeatability, and radiation protection. An external manufacturer contacted us after seeing the submitted blueprints and recommended the GK3 Pro. Calibration plates informed parameters for future iterations, and preliminary specimen containers showed promising test results. The GK3 Pro has several workflow features that feel thoughtfully considered, but the build plate drip slot immediately became my favorite because it lets excess resin drain back into the bat before cleanup. With the specimen container design finalized, the rest of gauge could be tuned around retrieval handling. Dust covers, linear actuators, and head alignment could now be locked into position. The specimen carrier was designed around 6 magnetic retention slots, then weight tested to confirm that gauge could remain balanced under a full payload. Raw fungal specimens may carry unstable radiological properties, so each container received a protective coating before preparation in order to reduce exposure risk in both directions. Once the jars are prepped and ready for transit, each container is sealed with a magnetic base that serves both as a lid and the retention point for the specimen carrier. Even though the carrier was measured throughout construction, the finished containers exposed clearance issues. Precision cutting wheels were used to remove blocking material that other tools couldn't reach. The last fabrication pass included armor panels, system covers, and orange safety lights across the unit. After a final polish at low speed, gauge was cleared for controlled research deployment in the raw affected zones of NeoCity 0.
Thank you for making time to engage with this broadcast. Your attention supports the mission of the Royal Archive. Additional gratitude is extended to Royal Archive patrons and channel members, whose contributions sustain the continued recovery and review of critical records. Full access to the Archive Discord is available for $3. Submit recommendations or concerns below. All entries are subject to review by the Royal Technocratic Dominion. This transmission is now concluded. Until next time, goodbye.